So your beats sound good, but does it knock? Nope. Well, let me show you how. First thing first, drum bus. Load up stock compressor. Change these settings. Threshold all the way up. Attack slowest. Released fastest. Auto gain off. Auto release off. Turn on the limiter and change your distortion to clip. Now, play with the input gain to introduce saturation and play with the limiter to level match. Bypass back and forth to make sure that you're on the same level. And hear the difference. Before, after.